Hi everyone, my name is Lahari Velagapudi. I work as a senior DevOps engineer at Fortune 500 companies. Today, I would be discussing about a key topic, process versus execution in a DevOps world. Which is important? Which should we follow? Process is basically defining an SOP, that is a systematic operation process where you define what you want to do before you go into production, or you writing, like if you want to have a CI/CD pipeline, you have a process of how do your workflow goes, how a deployment goes. Execution is directly executing into your production work. Let me give you a very simple example. So you're deploying an application at night 2 a.m. What matters? Does process matter or execution matters? At night 2 a.m., if you're deploying, obviously your execution matters. There is an issue which happens in that process of your deployment. Then your process comes into the picture. So when you're deploying, did you handle all these situations, such as, is there an SOP for the deployment? Are you following in a standard process? Is there an RCA for the deployment to go ahead? Are the pipelines updated? Is the rollback process defined? All of this matters when you're deploying. Pressure, because it's not a simple task, it's executing on the production environment, keeping a downtime of 0. In a DevOps world, an SOP is the current state, whereas an RCA will make your future safe. So I would recommend all the new developers and the DevOps to follow the process while having your execution in your mind. Process without a real-time execution is a failure. A real-time execution with multiple issues is a process failure. So if you are having multiple issues, rethink about your process, redefine your SOPs. Whereas if you are having a process with a legitimate failure of execution, then rethink about building your execution.